Hi everybody, this is Nina, your Central Jersey Realtor. So today we're going to talk about the home buying process. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, but also hit the notification button. This way you'll know when I drop a new video. Let's get started. So to begin the process, one of the things we need to do is find a realtor. If you're in Central New Jersey, I'm the one you need to call. But also, if you are in the RDU area, meaning Raleigh, Durham, University, Chapel Hill area, please feel free to contact me as well. But the key is to find the right realtor. Find the realtor who specializes in the area that you're looking to purchase. That is imperative. You want to select an agent who knows the area, who knows about the homes, whether they're single family homes, townhomes, or even multi-families. You want to select an agent who is well versed on the area that you're looking to purchase in. But also, in selecting that agent, you want them to be able to provide you with a list of real estate professionals who are there to help you with the process as well. You want them to be able to provide you with a list of real estate professionals. Real estate professionals being loan officers, attorneys, inspectors, local contractors, whether they be painters, electricians, or even cement layers. You want to select the right agent who's going to put you in line or align you with the right real estate professionals who are going to help you realize your dream of home ownership. So I hope this first portion of the home buying process, or what I like to call the roadmap to home ownership, has been helpful. First and foremost, select the right agent. In selecting the right agent, you in turn will have an individual that can supply you with a multitude of other real estate professionals that are going to be extremely important in the process of you purchasing your next home, your next investment property, or who knows, maybe your dream home. I hope this has been helpful and you guys take care. But before you go, please subscribe to my channel and also select that notification button so that you know when I'm going to drop the next video. Take care.